Agents are the new apps. Imagine a world where billions of AI agents outnumber humans, transforming how we live, work, and connect. Sound wild, right? Well, today I'm breaking down AI agents for you. Simple, real world, and jargon free. Let's dive in. First, what an AI agent? AI or artificial intelligence is like a genius with endless brain power. But what good is all that intelligence without action? That's where AI agents step in. Think of an AI agent as the doer. It takes the intelligence of AI and uses it to perform real world tasks. While AI is the brain, the AI agent is the hands that get the job done. Whether that's answering questions, automating tasks, or managing your to do list, it's all about turning potential into action. How do they work? Picture this: your parents hire a babysitter, they give instructions like bedtime rules, snacks allowed, and emergency contacts. That's exactly how AI agents are trained. Developers feed them data and rules so they know how to respond in different situations. Some agents come pre programmed and basic instructions, while others can be customized for specific need, just like giving the babysitter special rules for you. Here, how it works. Number one, input. You ask the AI agent a question or give it a command. Number two, processing. The agent think about your request and plan the best response. Number three, action. It get to work, finding information, solving problem, or completing task. Number four, learning. The more you use it, the smarter it gets, learning from your interaction to improve over time. By the way, AI agents are everywhere. That chatbot answering your questions online, they are actually AI agents. Your voice assistant, setting reminders, they are also AI agents. The tool automatically responding to emails or scheduling meetings you suggested, they are also AI agent. From a small task like organizing your day to massive operations like optimizing supply chain, they are also AI agents are already transforming how works get done. So, why does this matter? AI agents are about to change everything. For business, they handle routine tasks, freeing up time for innovation. For individuals, they make life simpler, managing schedules, automating chores, and more. This isn't just another tech.